Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Princeton, Texas, where we have a pit that's leaking at a commercial business. The back wall where those filters are, the on the other pit, in pit 3, it's leaking, and there's 3 of them in this building. One to the right, one in the center, and on this one, it's believed that the bottom of the pit is what's leaking, and they believe that it's coming from where that hole is from the stair right here, and the water's coming in through the floor. They believe the floor is compromised, and when there's heavy rains, water's coming through. And over in the other pit, this is the one that is not leaking from there, because you can see the bolt in the floor right down at the bottom, right there. And this one is not leaking from there, it's leaking from the back wall, right there where the rack is. And you can see water starting to drip in. So they need this to be sealed. This is one of the type of centers where they quick change for oil, and the water is not allowed to mix with the oil. So this pit is going to have to be sealed 100% from the walls and the floor. And this is our before image. So let's take a look at it, and then we can make recommendations on how we're going to fix it. So let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.